girl Yamani Plush. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the mother freaking channel. If this is your first time tuning in, hi, howdy do, how are you? My name is Yamani. Nice to formally meet you. So here's what we about to do. I'm about to spill a tea and sprinkle some gems on y'all, but I need y'all to do one thing first. I need y'all to go hit the subscribe button down below, like right now, and then hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post. And then once you do that, once you finish watching this entire video, I need you to go peruse through my channel and go see some other gems that I may have dropped on you that you haven't yet to experience. That's just one person to another. You get what I'm saying? I'm just trying to educate you, my sister, my brother. Just trying to educate you. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay? But before we do that, let me tell you what this video is about to be about, even though you read the title. I'm about to teach you how to finesse. I'm about to teach you how to finesse. I'm about to teach you how to be Instagram baddie with outfits you hate. And when I say finesse, I don't mean by finessing somebody out of some money, or cheating somebody, or scamming somebody, or doing anything of the such. What you want to do is just create an illusion, right? So I'm going to teach you guys how to take items in your closet that you're not very fond of, that may have been too big, too small, just not to your liking, or just don't fit your curve just right. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys some simple instructions and some simple things to do that will help you with your aesthetic and make you an instant Instagram baddie. Okay, these outfits that I'm about to pull out on y'all is Instagram approved. Promise you. I promise you. Plus size girl, you gotta know how to finesse. Everybody know you big, you just gotta finesse it. I promise you, it's worth it. Listen to me. So what we about to do is just going into 6 items that I purchased that I really do not like to wear, that I turned into bomb ass outfits. Okay, without further ado, this right here is what you got to do. Hey. So guys, if you turned into my last boohoo haul, you will see that this was the last outfit I tried on, and I was extremely dissatisfied because I looked extremely boxy and I was not satisfied in the least bit. I have no shape in this. I look like I'm about to milk a cow. I look like a handmaid's tale. And by quickly targeting that and turning it into a baddie's outfit, I just put on some Beychella shorts that I made from some old Fashion Nova jeans. And I put on some shoes that I tried on in a Amazon haul that I have on this channel, you guys. And I just basically styled it up. So that's all I did, was just pair it with a different bottom and some different shoes. And your sis was lit. You get what I'm saying? Your sis was lit. I was looking like Megan right now. Like Megan mixed with Little B. I was looking like the Savage remix. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what it was hitting for. And you could tell I was feeling myself. Like, that's what it's about, feeling yourself. So what I did with the bottoms moving forward, hold up, I'm still gonna show my little ass, hold up. So what I did with the bottoms is basically pair it with this with a pair of sneakers, a halter top that I got from Walmart, and I tied a sweater over it because, as you can see, them bottoms was huge. So I needed something to camouflage how big the shorts were. So I tied a sweatshirt around it that I got from this beautiful Instagram boutique that I will name right here on the screen. And I paired it with some Air Maxes. Now this dress, I got it from, I believe, Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo maybe last year. And I just don't wear it. And it's like, it's too hot to wear it anyway. But I just don't wear it because it's really boxy. It doesn't really give me any shape, any definition, any curve. It doesn't accentuate my body. But when you pair it with a Fashion Nova blazer like this and some taupe sandal heels from Payless, you get a whole nother look. So I just paired it with some strappy sandal heels, like I said, and I paired it with a blazer that came with another set from Fashion Nova, and I made it work, honey. I also accessorized it with some like bedazzled earrings and just really made it pop and stand out further than what it did because it looked really boxy before. Now I'm about to show you guys how to hack an oversized t-shirt. So what you're going to do with an oversized t-shirt is one of 3 things, and I'm about to show you right now. You're gonna pair it with a racy bottom. That's option number one. You guys seen this in my last boohoo haul. I really love these mesh shorts, these mesh biker shorts. Look at that calf. Yes, sis, work out them calves. And them, and them quads. Oh, okay, give it to them. All right, strong legs. Let's go with the cellulite. Let's go. But anyway, you guys are going to pair it with a mesh bottom. Something really risky, so it makes the top look more like... Okay, we're going to move forward. So, at this point, you can pair it with a high-waisted jean. And you also want to tie it up in a knot. So, any any big t-shirts that you have... You can do one of three things, like I said, and this is the second thing. You could tie it up in a knot and wear some high-waisted jeans to camouflage your tummy and suck it in. Yes. Now, option number 3, you can easily take a t-shirt and cut it down the middle and tie it in a bow like such, like so, and you get this result right here. So this is option number 3. Okay, so I bought this dress from Amazon to go on vacation with, and obviously I'm giving all of Britney Spears' meltdown, okay? All I'm missing is the bald head, because, sis, all my cootie cat is trying to show, like, what did they think they were doing with this dress? So I couldn't conceal the bottom without spilling out the top, as you guys can see, and I'm really trying not to show y'all my goodies. But... yet again, you want to pair it with a high-waisted jean. You could also embezzle this with a belt and make it pop even more. As you guys can tell, I put back on my see-through lace-up sandal wedge heels from Amazon yet again. And these sandals, these heels, these chunky heels went so good with the earrings that I had on because it's silver. And they kind of played off on each other. So you could do like a white bag, a silver bag, a nude bag with this look. It's so cute, as you guys can tell. So, yes, this is what it's hitting for. And our last dress, I got this dress from Ashley Graham from Pretty Little Thing last year, and I wore it to Miami, but I just don't like the way it drapes. It's really big. As I told you guys in the haul for this dress, it was just too big, and this is how I combated that. So what you want to do is put on a little belt, and I got this little fake Ferragamo belt from Rainbows. And then I put on some motor boots with them, motor heel boots, and a jean jacket. Now, a solid jean jacket would look better with this, but hey. Okay, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. If you appreciated any of the tips that I gave you, don't hesitate to give this video a like down below, because everybody wants to be a baddie. And the more you like, the more it reaches other people, and we all could be Instagram baddies. Just saying. Spread the love, spill the tea. Okay, hit the like button, then scroll over a little bit more, hit the subscribe button and the bell. I'm really selling this. Am I selling this? Am I selling this? Are you subscribing? Okay, all right. But anyway, you guys, if you appreciated any of the tips that I gave you guys, I challenge you to go into your closet right now. Pick an item that you do not like, finesse it with one of the tips that I gave you guys in this video, tag me on Instagram and hashtag finesse. Hashtag finesse, tag me, and I will be I will certainly, you have my promise that I will reshare you. But hit that subscribe button, follow your sister on the gram, do what I told you to do your homework, and I will reshare you, girl. I will reshare you, okay? Definitely will. There's no lies detected here. No lies. I will reshare you, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in for yet another banger. And as much as I play, as much as I joke, I really appreciate y'all for tuning in, because y'all don't have to. So thank you yet again, and this is where I close the video by saying peace. See you when I see you.